So you should have seen all the strawberries when I first came in here. And then for the past 5 minutes, I've just been chewing away because it's strawberry season.
It is strawberry
season. It's the greatest time of the year. Chef
It
D
is.
here.
It is the greatest time of the year.
Why are strawberries so great?
I think because we wait so long for them, and we do have the everberries and that, but I think anything coming out of the ground tastes so much better. And then, my good friend Farmer Tim.
We know Tim. Morning, Tim.
Morning, Tim. He said that he's standing on the edge. And then we got that beautiful rain this past.
It wasn't looking good because we did have a good little drought there.
So look at, they're big, they're bold, they're beautiful, and away we go.
These things, I don't like the big ones.
No,
I don't like
I'm with you.
Like those guys, like something a little bit smaller, like that guy right there. That's a perfect one. Okay, what are we doing?
So grilled cheese.
With strawberries?
So with strawberries. Now I'm doing the 3 cheese one. So we got our good friends from Bothwell. So we have our cheddar and we have our spicy cheese here. Right. Then we put some brie on it.
You have 3 different types of cheese.
And we're gonna panini press it, right? There you go.
Toss them in
Put it in there, okay? So you're gonna look after that. Now, bread pudding is a great dish with strawberries. So we're using the Grey Ridge Conestoga brand eggs. Cool company, they support the Children's Breakfast Club all the time. These eggs are grown free run in Strathroy, Listowel area. So again, local.
Okay. What are you doing with the bread?
Okay, you're gonna cut up the cinnamon bun. We're
putting a cinnamon bun in there?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Oh.
Okay.
I always like these unique ideas that you bring,
right?
Chefy.
So we have our.
Is this cinnamon bun? This isn't fresh. This is a couple days old.
And that's the other thing is you want to use bread and cinnamon buns that you might have had around, or cake or wherever. Put that in. Okay, and then what we've done just behind, and I got this done before you came on, is we put our eggs in here with a little bit of cream, a little bit of brown sugar, and a little bit of honey. And if you want to use more honey and less brown sugar, you can do that as well. And away we go. Yeah, turn that around.
There we go.
Oh yeah, perfect. And then we're going to put our strawberries in.
Just tossing them in there?
Yeah, just like so.
Oh, they're already cut up for it. Oh, look at you doing the work for me.
I know, right? But I need another one.
You just need another one personally. Yeah, me too.
So, egg bath. In that goes. And then what you want to do, Tim, is you want to let this sit for about 20 minutes. Now you can put this in the refrigerator, let it sit for 20 minutes, and that's going to absorb the egg into the bread, into the cinnamon bun, into the cake, whatever you have there. And then you're going to put it in an oven, 350 degrees, for about 40 minutes. And with the magic of, CHH Morning Live.
And our wonderful kitchen.
Yep. Have I mentioned how wonderful this kitchen is?
You got to look at that. Oh my goodness, Chefy.
Look at that.
That smells good.
Okay.
Whoa!
Right, now be careful of the handle.
Okay, we're going in?
We're going in.
Is it hot? Like how hot is it?
Okay, that's really hot.
Okay, I'm going in here.
Okay.
Because you don't need anything else with the bread pudding.
No, you don't.
All the goodness is in here, right?
Right, and you can cool this down and have it really put it back in the fridge and have it 6 hours later.
Is it good cold? Or
it's really good. No, it's really good cold.
Better?
Oh yeah. I like it better.
You don't like lasagna sometimes?
Yeah,
lasagna is great, but even it's better even a little bit later.
Yeah, 100%. How hot?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Right.
That strawberry has opened things up and it's surrounded the dish.
So, but the cinnamon and everything. Okay, so over here. Put it over here. Okay. Are you ready?
All that different type of cheese.
Okay, you ready?
Well, okay. Here's the deal, though, Chefy. Can I put ketchup with this?
No. If you want to, you can. But
who eats ketchup with their grilled cheese? I do.
I know, but okay.
Because you can't because there's.
Well, try it. See what you think.
Oh.
Right?
All different types of cheeses.
Yeah.
Oh, let me try this. People are freaking out at home. What are you doing? Oh, Emily's over there freaking out. I like ketchup. Ketchup with my grilled cheese and strawberries.
But
they're fruit. Tomatoes are fruit.
I'm having my mouth full. I'm sorry. Also salad. Again, use some fresh greens. We have so many great things happening right now.
Right.
This is a perfect season. The greens are coming out of the ground. We have edible flowers.
That's edible? Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Nice.
How good's that?
Good with some ketchup, that edible flower.
And then I use the Cobb's bread. I like the white bread. I think the soft white bread for making grilled cheese is the best of the best, right?
Nice.
What do you think?
Awesome.
You know, if you want to take it up another notch, put some bacon in with this.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
There we go.
Right.
Hands up if you like ketchup with your grilled cheese. Good, Jeffy. Good stuff. Happy strawberry season, y'all. We'll see you in a couple.